G'day guys, Luke here from Fish That Snag. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a very long, hot week here in Harvey Bay, and the wind's been blowing all week. But there's a small window today where I've just come out, but the wind's already starting to pick up. I'm staying in pretty close today. I haven't come out very far, basically just fishing around Big Woody Island, and I've only got really an hour or two, I reckon, before this wind really picks up. If the audio is a bit hard to hear, that's the reason why, and I apologise. So all I'm going to do is, I've got the little Sedge 25 from Yakamito. I've got a couple others as well, a few soft plastics and things. I'm just going to go around the rocky ledges and just throw these, use a fast retrieve over the rocks and things, and just see if I can have some fun with you know, a queenfish or some small trevally or something, and then get out of here before the wind picks up. I'm not sure what you can see here, folks, but hopefully the camera will pick it up. You can see there's a bit of a line where there's some smooth water there and then rough water where the white caps are. So I'm just sitting back about 20 or 30 meters on the smooth side, and all I'm doing is casting my lure into the rougher water and bringing it back nice and fast across the edge. There's an edge here that's sort of dropping from 3 meters down to about probably 20 meters down there, and I'm just going to drift along and hit the entire edge as I go along. See that tidal line now. You can see it really, you can see the smooth water all the way around the edge, and then you can see the white caps out there. So there's an edge, a good pressure point along here. The tide's ripping out, wind, tide standing up a little bit, and there's all sorts of things hidden along these edges. Folks, these markers are always a good thing to have a throw around, just nice and close as you can. Just be aware there is a green zone on the other side of Duck Island, so you don't want to go too far over that way, but all this side is okay. In around this marker, usually if you throw a couple of lures in there as you go past, you might find something. bye.